you everybody. Thank you.
मैम, मेरा थोड़ा कैमरा का प्रॉब्लम है।
Okay.
एक्चुअली मैं मुंबई वापस जा रहा हूँ, तो मैं अभी ट्रेन में हूँ।
Okay, no problem, Fareed. Thank you for letting me know. Everybody else, let me see your cameras on, please. Thank you. Wow, so many faces
मैम
that
मेरे
make me happy. Didis and bhaiyas, please check the chat for how I need you to relabel your names, please, or check how Siddhi, Vrushali have done it. Ishika, Ankita, please follow their lead. Makes it easier for me to put you all in breakout rooms, please. Thank you everybody for having your cameras on. I'm very happy to see you all. I'm very happy to see you all. Many of you have submitted your homework, and Siddhi Didi will send me a list of who has completed it. Siddhi, do we have it ready by any chance? The list?
Yes, please. It is ready.
Great. May I request you to post on this group chat the names of everybody who have completed their assignments? That would
Yes,
be
ma'am.
superb. Thank you. All right. Let's begin, shall we? Is it 6 o'clock? All right. Yes. Oh, 5:30. Sorry. It's very early for Didi. The sun is still coming out. It's thinking about coming out. Can you see at the back? It's thinking. Should I come out or should I
Yeah.
not come out? Yes. I woke up this morning to go for a shower, and my mom is like, "Why are you awake so early?" And I said, "I have class. I have class. I have people to teach. May I? Can I? Shall I?" All right, let's begin. Nobody's smiling only. I am so chap first thing in the morning. You all have the whole day and you all are like, क्या बोल रही है? क्यों इतना बोल रही है? What is she doing? All right. Somebody please remind me, what did we learn last week in conversational English? What did we learn? Zoom hands, please. What did we learn last week in conversational English? Bhumi, what did we learn? One thing that we learned.
Can I? May I?
Can I and may I? Well done, Bhumi. Siddhi, you're going to record who's speaking, correct? In our class, please. Thank you. So yes, Bhumi, can I and may I? Shantanu, what else did we learn?
We practiced a dialogue.
We practiced a dialogue. So Shantanu, that's what, last week how we learned the difference between can I and may I. So practicing a dialogue is what we did in class. The question is, what did we learn? Right? So there's a difference. क्या किया आपने क्लास में? What did you do? क्या सीखा आपने क्लास में? What did you learn? All right, Shantanu? But I'm really proud of you for raising your hand and for giving an answer. So well done. Muskan, what did we learn?
May I and can I? में परमिशन लेते हैं और can में एबिलिटी दिखाते हैं.
Superb, Muskan. Well said. Om Prakash, what else did we learn? What else did we learn?
May I, can I, and about the conversation, how to do the conversation, what all things we have to took care when we are in a conversation, how to take pauses when we are talking to someone, or how to do voice modulation when we are talking to someone.
Well said, Om Prakash. Lakshmi.
Ma'am, improve our communication skill and practice dialogue and practice to can I, may I.
Okay. But we learned something, na? How much of communication is body language? Diksha, do you remember how much of communication is body language? याद है बेटा?
Nose, mouth,
Those are
mouth, and
correct.
ear.
Yes, we take in our information. Diksha, very good. We take our information in from our eyes, our nose, our mouth, our ears, and our touch. Those are our 5 senses. वहाँ से हम information अंदर लेते हैं. When we are communicating, when we are having a conversation, when we are talking, we have 3 parts, right? We have body language, we have tone, and we have words. Yaad hai? We spoke about that last time. So how much, Atharva, of communication is body language?
55%.
55%। What is that, अथर्वा? 55% जो हम बोलते हैं, हम हमारे बॉडी को यूज़ के बोलते हैं। हाथ, स्माइल, आईज, 55%. What is the meaning of tone? What is the meaning of tone? Mayuri, what is the meaning of tone?
इस बोलने का टोन कैसे रहता है? अगर हम बोले कि ये करो और हम अगर बोले कि ये करो, मीन्स अगर प्यार से बोले और गुस्से से बोले तो वो टोन।
Perfect. Thank you, Mayuri. Rutuja, tone is what percent of communication? Tone is what percent?
38%, ma'am.
Yay! Very good. Tone is 38% of communication. Well done, Rutuja. Muskan,
Thank you, Didi.
बचे कितने परसेंट?
7%.
7%. और Om Prakash, that 7% is what?
Our words.
Very good, everybody. Well done. All right. So 55% is body language, 38% is tone, and 7% are the words that we use. May I is for permission, can I is for ability. And we learned one more thing. We learned the definition of conversation. We learned the verb to converse. And what does conversation mean? Does anybody remember what conversation means? Sania, do you remember what conversation means?
It's a noun.
Conversation is a noun. Very good. What does it mean, Pratham? What does it mean?
It means the two persons are what the two persons are speaking to each other. It is known as conversation.
Right. When two or more people converse with each other, means they are one is speaking, one is listening, the other is also speaking, and the opposite is also listening. Two or more. Speaking, I can speak to myself, right? I can speak to myself while I'm in the kitchen making chai. Idhar se leke aao, abhi stove on karo. I can speak to myself. I cannot converse with myself. If I'm conversing with myself, शायद somebody will think there is a problem. मैं question पूछ रही हूँ और कोई और जवाब दे रहा है मेरे अंदर से. Right? That is to converse, when two or more people are conversing. Well done, everybody. Thank you so much for such amazing answers and participation. So, today, new concept. May I begin? May I begin? New concept.
Yes.
Yes, Didi.
Thank you so much. Yes. So, the new concept is that of open-ended questions and closed-ended questions. And open-ended questions. So, Ankita Didi, will you type open-ended question into the chat for me, and on the next line, closed-ended questions. So, a closed-ended question will be any question that you ask that has a limited number of options as an answer. So, did you go to conversational English class today? Yes or no? Right? Closed. सिर्फ ये दोनों आंसर से आप चूज कर सकते हो आपका आंसर. Closed ended. Is the house up on the hill or down from the hill? Up or down? दो ऑप्शन से चूज करना है. Closed ended question. Alright. Is she inside the house or outside the house? Inside or outside? दो ऑप्शन से चुनने हैं. Understanding open-ended questions? I mean closed-ended questions. These are closed-ended questions. Now, an open-ended question is आपके जो ऐसे आंसर्स आप लिखते हो ना एग्जाम पे, ऐसे आंसर्स. What did you do today? How did you feel when the teacher asked you to speak in class? Right? Open-ended questions, जहाँ पे आपके मन की बात आप खोल के लिख सकते हो या बोल सकते हो. Open-ended questions. Right? So how many types of questions? Fingers दिखाइए मुझे. How many types of questions? Very good, everybody. 2 types of questions. The first type are closed-ended questions. The second type are open-ended questions. Closed-ended questions have a limited number of options. Yes, no, up, down, in, out. Open-ended questions are where you can give an लंबा सा आंसर. So normally जब कोई इंटरव्यू देता है, when someone gives an interview, does the interviewer ask closed-ended questions or open-ended questions? Pratham, does the interviewer ask closed or open-ended questions?
Open-ended questions.
Well said, Pratham. They ask open-ended questions because they want more information from you, correct? So when you want more information, you ask an open-ended question. When you want less, do you want oranges or apples? Is that an open-ended question or a closed-ended question? Shantanu, open or closed?
Closed.
Very good. Let me think of another question. Lakshmi, if the store person says to you, ma'am, what else may I help you with? Is that open-ended or closed-ended?
Open-ended.
Well said, Lakshmi. Well said. Okay. Look, I can see that you're understanding. So today's dialogue, may I tell you today's dialogue? May I tell you today's dialogue that you're going to
Yes.
practice in your homes? Now, if you practice well and you practice thoda jaldi se, I want to show you some people's homework which will teach you what is happening in your mind, so you will more accurately be able to practice this week's dialogue for assignment. All right, so this week I'm going to please type in the chat, if you would let Didi type and no one else type in between, then we will get the conversation together. The conversation is going to be between two college students. All of you are going to go to college. All of you are going to make friends in college. Yes? Yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
Yes, Didi.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So here is it's a conversation between college student A and college student B. Okay. So college student A says, excuse me, may I borrow a pen, please? Okay, may I borrow a pen, please? Lakshmi, question hai beta? You have a question? No? Okay.
No, Didi.
Okay, darling, your Zoom hand is up. That's why I asked you. Okay, thank you. So student A is going to say, excuse me, may I borrow a pen, please? And student B is going to say, I'm sorry, I do not have one. One what? One what does student not have? One what does student B
Pen.
not have? Pen. That's correct. I'm sorry, I do not have one. Student A, do you have a pencil I may borrow? Do you have a pencil I may borrow? Closed-ended or open-ended?
Open.
Closed-ended.
Open-ended.
Open.
Lakshmi, listen. Lakshmi, Monica, listen. Do you have a pencil I may borrow? उनके आंसर सिर्फ दो हो सकते हैं, right? Yes, I have, or no, I don't have. So it becomes open-ended or closed-ended?
Close.
Closed-ended. Well done, right? दो ही option हो सकते हैं. Yes, I have, or no, I don't have. So closed-ended question. Student B. Yes, sure. Here you go. And then student A. Thank you. How may I repay your favor? How may I repay your favor would be open or closed?
Open.
Open.
Zoom hand. Mayuri. Open or closed?
Open.
Open. Well done. How may I repay your favor? Student B. No worries at all. All right, so now student B, no worries at all. Hope your class goes well. Student A, thank you. Yours too. It's a little longer dialogue than we did last time. Remember, every time I told you we'll go a little longer, little longer, little longer. So I'm going to read it to you, everybody. 55% is body language, 38% is tone, 7% are the words that we use. So here's how it is. Excuse me, may I borrow a pen, please? I'm sorry, I do not have one. Now, normally people can say I don't have one, but because I'm making you practice conversational English and I want your vocal cords to get used to moving in a particular way, that is why I'm making you say not, okay? I'm sorry, I do not have one. Do you have a pencil I may borrow? See the comma? When you see a comma, there is a pause, half a second pause. Do you have a pencil I may borrow? Yes, sure. Here you go. Yes, sure के बाद full stop है. So you have to make, if comma के बाद half a second pause, full stop के बाद 1 second pause. ठीक है? Yes, sure. Here you go. Student A, thank you. How may I repay your favor? Question ना? क्या कर रही हो आप? How may I repay your favor? No worries at all. Hope your class goes well. Thank you. Yours too. Got it everybody? हर एक शब्द का clear pronunciation. हर एक शब्द का clear pronunciation. Anybody has a question? Anybody has a question about this dialogue? Tell me, in this dialogue, how many closed-ended questions? How many closed-ended questions? How many closed-ended questions in this dialogue? Ooh, सोच रहे हो सब लोग. Vicky, how many?
2 या 3.
2 या 3? 2 या 3? मतलब
मैम
2 या 3? Okay, Vicky, where did you go? Vicky, first closed-ended question is which one?
3.
No problem. पहले वाला बोलो. पहले वाला closed-ended question क्या दिख रहा है आपको?
पेंसिल पेन है क्या?
May I borrow a pen, please? That's the first one, right? Achal or
Yes.
Sangeeta, what is the second closed-ended question? बोलो. Try करो बेटा.
Can I take here?
Sangeeta, say that again, Pacha, please. आपकी आवाज़ शायद नहीं आ रही है. एक और बार ज़ोर से ट्राई करो.
Ma'am, please can you repeat this question?
I will repeat the question. Thank you for asking me. Vicky said there are 3 closed-ended questions in this dialogue. So I am trying to identify or find the question. So the first question in the dialogue is, may I borrow a pen, please? तो वो हुआ मेरा पहला closed-ended question. मेरा दूसरा closed-ended question कौन सा है ये dialogue में? मिला आपको क्वेश्चन संगीता?
Ma'am, I think no, ma'am.
Try to find the second question. Try to find the second question. I can tell that you know it. So try to find the second question.
Do you have a pencil?
Very good. See, I could tell you knew the answer. So the second closed-ended question is, do you have a pencil I may borrow? अभी उसके बाद, is there a third closed-ended question?
Yes, ma'am.
There is. Which is the third closed-ended question?
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, you may try. Please try.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, yes. May I repay your favor?
No. The question is not, may I repay your favor? The question is, how
How?
may I repay your favor? Now, I don't know who's talking to me because I can't see you on my screen. But if the question was, may I repay your favor? It would be a closed ended question. But the question is, how may I repay your favor? So it becomes, and Mayuri, it becomes what? Mayuri, it becomes
Open
a
ended.
open-ended question. Lakshmi, it becomes a what?
Open.
Open-ended question. Shantanu, it becomes what?
Ma'am,
It becomes a it becomes an
open-ended.
open-ended question. Well done. So there are 3 questions in this dialogue. 2 are closed-ended. 1 is open-ended. Vicky, समझ में आया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Listen, I'm so proud of all of you who are raising your hands and showing the courage to put yourself out there and answering these questions. Okay, I love it. Thank you very much. All right, so I'm going to copy and paste this dialogue onto your participants chat so you can practice it. All right, 1 second, please. Okay, so it's been put on the participants chat and now I am putting it on the Didi Bhaiya ka chat. Oh, thank you, Ashta. I see it already there. All right, everybody. So now that you have the conversations, I'm going to put you into groups. This is how I want you to practice in the groups, please. If Nishita and Mayuresh are a pair, if Nishita and Mayuresh are a pair, Nishita will first say student A and Mayuresh will say student B. Ek bar that finishes, Nishita will become student B and Mayuresh will become student A. दोनों साइड के डायलॉग सब लोग बोलेंगे. Got it, everybody? दोनों साइड के डायलॉग सब लोग बोलेंगे. Yes, सुवजित भैया.
Ma'am, may I leave, please, because I have class.
Yes, those of you who have clay lab, you all need to leave, right? Durgeshwari Didi, Ayush Bhaiya, those of you who have clay lab, you all need to leave. Yes, please leave for your clay lab. Thank you, Suvajit Bhaiya, for asking. Thank you for being here today and learning this little concept. So have fun at clay lab and let us know how you do, okay? Bye.
Yes.
Thank you, Didis and Bhaias who need to go to clay lab. Nishita Didi, we will miss you. Bye. Okay, so Didis and Bhaias who need to leave, if you will leave, only 6 of them need to leave. So if you will leave, then I will know which Didis and Bhaias I can use in breakout rooms. Akhilesh Bhaiya, please relabel yourself to Bhaiya Akhilesh. All right. So I'm going to put you into rooms and like last time, Didis and Bhaias, I might move some of you when I see what's happening in each room. Please accept that invitation to move rooms. Yes, Stephanie Didi.
Ma'am, I had a question. So
Yes.
is it two participants will be doing the dialogues or is it one Didi and one participant?
Thank you for asking that super important clarification question. It will be 2 participants doing the dialogue. A Didi or Bhaiya who is not an alumni Didi or Bhaiya will not be participating in the dialogue unless you are an odd number of people and you need one more person to practice the dialogue. Even in that case, I encourage you to give one of the participants a second turn or another chance. But Didis and Bhaiyas who are alumni, they will need to participate in the dialogue. Are we clear on it? So for example, Vrushali Didi will participate. Akhilesh Bhaiya will participate. But maybe an Ankita Didi will not participate. Are we clear? Everybody is clear, Didis and Bhaiyas, how this is going to work? Durgeshwari, why are you not going to Clay Lab, sweetheart?
Ma'am, I'm not in clay lab. That's why.
Oh, you're not in Clay Lab. Okay, that makes
Yeah.
sense. Why are you not going to Clay Lab? I am not in Clay Lab. That makes perfect sense. All right, everybody. So here we go. Payal, question है बेटा?
टीचर आपने जो
अभी दीदी से मैम, मैम से टीचर, मतलब बहुत दूर का रिश्तेदार बना रही है यार तू मुझे। बोल पायल, आई एम लिसनिंग, टेल मी।
दीदी आपने जो कन्वर्सेशन चैट में लिखा था ना, एक और बार भेजना ना,
यस आई
क्योंकि
विल।
वो हटिया में लीव हो गई थी मीटिंग से,
Yes.
इसलिए।
Akshita Didi, please, may I request you to post it both in the 20. Oh, you don't have access. Siddhi, you have access to the 2021 participants chat? You don't have access to that. Okay, I'll redo it. Just 1 second.
Ma'am, I will do that.
I just am doing it. Sorry. Oh, wrong chat. Participants. कहाँ गया मेरा? इधर. Okay, I have put it on the chat again, and I'm also going to put it in the Zoom chat again. Okay, beta? Okay, Siddhi, you will please need to get added to the participants group so you're aware of what's happening. All right, let's break y'all into rooms.
Di, I have a question.
Please, please, please ask me.
या दी, आपने अभी अलमनाई करके कुछ वर्ड यूज किया था जो भैया और दी लोग क्लास में है, उसका मतलब क्या है?
So Pratham, when a student comes to us as a participant, जैसे कि आप आए हो हमारे पहचान में participant के जरिए, participant बन के, when you graduate from पहचान, जब आप complete करते हो पहचान का प्रोग्राम, तो आप हमारे लिए अलमनाई बन जाते हो. You have completed the program, हमारे graduate हो आप. तो काफ़ी बार ऐसे होता है. Alumni leaders on this call, raise your Zoom hands please, raise your Zoom hands. So काफ़ी बार alumni leaders, Hussein, you are not an alumni leader. So alumni leaders are Pratham. These are all people, Vrushali, Sejal, Akhilesh, Durgeshwari, Suman, Vaishnavi, Varsha, Jyoti, Priya. They were all our participants. ग्रेजुएट हुए पहचान से और फिर वापस आए हमारे प्रोग्राम में दीदी भैया बनने के लिए. तो दे हैव गॉट फुल पहचान ट्रेनिंग and they have graduated. Then they came back and they completed our leadership training and they became didis and bhaiyas. अभी समझ में आया प्रथम?
Yes.
Yes. So when you finish, when you graduate from Pehchan, you can also come back. You can come back as to our leadership program, and you can also become a bhaiya to somebody next year. Okay? Are we good, everybody?
Yeah.
Thank you, Didis. Y'all can put your hands down, please. I'm going to please create these rooms. All right, let's go to my Didi list. Oh, so easy to find my Didis now. Y'all can talk to me, while I'm doing this. जैसे कि मेरे बच्चे मुझसे ही बात करने में शर्माते हैं. Oh, Sakina's here. I didn't realize that. Sankesha is also here today. I haven't seen Sankesha in so long. Sorry, please ask me again.
What's the time there?
What is the time here? So Didi sits with two phones, one which US, one which India. And in USA, it is currently 8:30 in the morning. It's currently 8:30 in the morning. What else do you want to know? Ask me, I'll tell you.
Ma'am, where are you in USA?
I am in a state called South Carolina, in this small little city called North Myrtle Beach. Do you know where New York City is?
Yes.
So I am south of New York and I am north of Florida. Do you know where Florida is?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I am south of New York and north of Florida. What else can I answer for you? This is quite entertaining while I'm doing this.
दीदी आपके लिए good morning.
मेरे लिए good morning. That's right. It is good morning. Definitely early good morning to me. Definitely early good morning.
Ma'am, were you like raised there or did you go there now?
So I was born in Mumbai and I moved here when I was 12. So I turned 13 here. I moved here in 1987. अभी गिनो कितनी old हूँ मैं. I moved here when I was 12 and I turned 13 here. So I've been here quite a few years, yeah. And
Ma'am,
then I moved back. अरे कहाँ गया? I moved back to India. I moved back to India. Okay, here. I moved back to India when I was 30 something. Exactly age सही में पता नहीं है. What
ma'am,
other
do you like
questions do you
spicy
have for
food?
me? Do I love spicy food? I eat green mirch ऐसे with my food. All the didis and bhaiyas are going, इतने टाइम से हम लोग ने इतने क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछे. But yes, I love spicy food, and recently I have started to learn how to cook, so I'm very happy about that as well. What else you got for me?
Didi, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on November 18th. It's a long time, and this year I will be 47 years old.
Ma'am, what kind of cultural difference do you see in USA and in India?
I see cultural differences in the young people here in terms of their value system, their belief in the closeness of family. I see a difference in, I also must confess, America is the country that taught me how to be professional, how to be organized, how to structure my projects, how to work with teams. So it's not necessarily a learning I picked up in India, but learning how to value family, value friends, have a culture of respect, how we speak in the right tone. These were things I got from India. So I have actually received huge benefit for being both from India and America. But there are cultural differences, no doubt. Even when I see how COVID has been handled here versus how COVID has been handled in Mumbai city, no doubt there are differences. Any difference you want to know specifically about?
The educational
Good
differences,
conversation. Sorry, please ask me again.
the educational differences.
Yes, there are. The public schools over here, in fact, I was going to make a video about this today. It's so funny that you're asking me this question. But the municipal schools, so a public school, it's called a public school over here, it's called a municipal school over there. But the municipal schools over here also don't have the same suvidha or the same privileges that that private schools have over here. So you know how municipal schools over there have less privileges than private schools? It's the same over here. Same, whether it has to do with sports, whether it has to do with extracurricular activities. Across the world, there is education for the rich and education for the poor. It is not just in India that education is divided by rich and poor. So if you look at a private school here in America, they may have extracurricular activities that have to do with, like, what is that, mom? What is that? So they may have sports like lacrosse, they may have horseback riding, they have sailing, they have something called a sailing club. Sahi mein, I'm not making that up. These are expensive sports, these are expensive activities. Whereas maybe in a municipal school, they have football. You understand what I'm trying to say now? So, all right, I want to continue this conversation, but now I have you in breakout rooms. So I'm going to open all the breakout rooms, and next week, while I'm making the breakout rooms, you may ask me many more questions. Sound good, everybody? I'm sending you in breakout rooms.
Yes.
Practice your dialogue.
Thank you for
twice.
answering, ma'am.
Most welcome. Most welcome. So I'm giving you 20 minutes in your breakout rooms. You will not need 20 minutes. If you finish before 20 minutes, come back. All right? If you finish before 20 minutes, come back. All right, everybody, I'm opening your rooms, please. I'm opening your rooms. See you soon. Please accept. Please accept.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm here, Shraddha, ma'am.
Hi, Shraddha. Please accept your invitation. Thank you so much for being here.
For job, ma'am. Take care, ma'am. Bye
Thank you,
bye.
Bacha. Thank you. How was that? No, nobody knows how it was. कैसे लगा practice करने के लिए? How was that, Shantanu?
It was fun.
It was fun. That's great. Archita, how was it for you?
It was very nice to talk with others.
It was very nice to speak with another, right? Very good, Archita. Alkama, how was it?
It was very amazing.
It was amazing. It feels good. It makes you feel confident, right? To speak like that. Amit, how was it?
It was great, ma'am.
It was great. I love that. Atharva?
Yes, Didi, it was a great experience.
I'm so happy to hear that, everybody. If you keep on practicing like this, you will get more and more comfortable and confident in speaking English, right? Good job. Rani, कैसे था? How was it? Did Rani speak in class? Did she practice?
It was great.
It was great. Everyone's just going to tell me it was great. It was amazing. It was fantastic. In Gujarati, there's a phrase, right? I mean, and because I'm Parsi, I speak in Gujarati. So in Gujarati, the phrase is "Na kaina konjo so tamiloko." Like, if I'd ask you, was it great? Was it good? Then everyone say yes, 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 yes. So it's like, how do I translate that in Hindi? Like, na kaun bolega? Everyone will say yes, it was good. Like, na kaina su kaso tamiloko. All right, I think I shall call everybody else back. Shall I call them back? Ananya Didi says it's a power I have. Sab kosh karke, when I want to call them back, I can call them back. Vicky, yes, please ask.
मैडम आपने बोले ना कौन बोलेगा, ना बोलने जैसा कुछ था ही नहीं उसमें. अच्छा लगा, बस इतनी मतलब अच्छा एंजॉय नहीं हुआ, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगा. कुछ पढ़ने मिला, कुछ सही समझने मिला.
Right. Sometimes when we're practicing something that's new for us or difficult for us, it's not necessarily something we enjoy, right? It's like अगर आप मुझे exercise के लिए भेजोगे, भैया मुझे enjoy बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. It's not something I would enjoy. But once I finished working out or once I finished exercising, I would feel good. I would feel good that I did something to help myself. So Vicky, I completely understand what you're saying. Completely. So well said. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
All right. I'm calling all your friends back. All right. Here they come. They should all slowly come right back. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Waiting for everybody to come back. 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, sweetheart. You want to say something to me? Payal, कुछ बोलना चाहोगे?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Suman Didi, why such a sad face, Suman Didi? Why such a sad face?
Actually, we not done yet. One pair is left, so that's why.
Who is left, Suman?
Me and Muskan, we both are doing.
Okay, so you can do it in front of us. So we would love the demo, Muskan and Suman Didi. Please put your Zoom hands up so you pop on top of our screen. So both of you can do it together. Muskan, also please raise your Zoom hand. Fareed, question hai beta? Fareed, do you have a question?
नहीं मैम, मैं सिर्फ इतना बोलना चाहता हूँ, आज का क्लास बहुत इंजॉय किया मैं।
I'm so excited. I love when y'all enjoy and learn. Enjoy and learn. All right, Muskan, where is Muskan? Muskan is not putting her Zoom hand up, Suman Didi. I cannot find Muskan. मुस्कान आवाज आ रही है मेरी? अगर आ भी रही है, she is not going to own it because she does not want to practice the dialogue in front of everybody. Okay, who wants to do the dialogue one time with Suman Didi? Who wants
Can
to
I?
do it? May
I would like
may
to.
May I?
Lakhan,
Yeah.
I would like for you to do it with Suman Didi. Suman, why did you put your hand down, Mary Jaan? Keep your hand up, sweetheart. Otherwise, I can't see you. Okay, there you go. Lakhan and Suman. Suman, student A. Lakhan, student B.
Ma'am, can you please resend that message in the whole chat? Is that
In the
lost?
Zoom chat? In the Zoom
Yeah, ma'am.
chat? Okay,
Yeah,
in the
ma'am.
Zoom chat. All right. Okay, there it is.
Thank you
In
so
the Zoom
much.
chat. No problem, no problem. Suman and Lakhan. Suman A, Lakhan B. Let's go. Start.
Yes. Excuse me. May I borrow a pen, please?
I'm sorry, I do not have one.
Do you have a pencil? I may borrow.
Yes, sure. Here you go.
Thank you. How may I repay your favor?
No worries at all. Hope your classes go well.
Thank you. Yours too.
Well done, both of you. Now, Shantanu, you be A and Suman Didi will be B. Okay? Shantanu, you will be A and Suman Didi will be B. Shantanu, begin.
Excuse me, may I borrow a pen, please?
I'm sorry. I do not have one.
Do you have a pencil I may borrow?
Yes, sure. Here you go.
Thank you. How may I repay your favor?
No worries at all. Hope your class goes well.
Thank you. Yours too.
Well done, well done, well done, well done. When you speak, like when I came to India, the only Hindi I knew was Namaste. Okay, a Namaste, shayad something like theek ho, something like this. I did not know much Hindi. And the number one way I learned it, पहले तो I watched ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है. So I had to listen to the language, right? I had to listen to the language. Actually, at that time, there was no ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है. And thank God Ananya Didi is not here. At that time, there was Pavitra Rishta. So I used to watch Pavitra Rishta to listen to Hindi. Dipansha Didi, don't hold your head. This is how I learned Hindi. And then I used to practice speaking in Hindi. That is how I learned. Funny story bolu, Hindi ka funny story. When I was learning Hindi, some of the didis and bhaias have heard this
Yes,
story
yes,
many
ma'am.
times.
We love to hear stories.
Funny
In your
story.
sweet voice.
Thank you. I'm going to tell you the story in English, but it was about a mistake I made when I was learning Hindi. So I was working for this company, right? I have an MBA. I was not always a teacher. So I was working in a company. And I was reporting to the CEO of the company. I was heading a division. I was reporting to the CEO of a company. And the CEO of the company, very senior man, very well-known, well-respected man, he had lots of bodyguards. He had lots of people with him, security, not bodyguards, security with him, right? But the security used to speak primarily Hindi. They used to speak very little English. So that particular day, we were on site. It was a construction company, and we were on site. And my boss needed his security to organize picking up a VIP from the airport. Everybody understands? He needed some VIP. VIP means very important person, picked up from the airport. Now, in English, we say, please, you need to go to the airport and pick him up. pick him up from the airport. So I went with my Hindi wala brain and I went to the security uncle and I said, uncle please आप एयरपोर्ट जाओ और उसको उठा लाओ, because you have to pick up, right? You have to pick him up. Usko utha lao. Now at that time I did not know what utha lao means. But I made lots of mistakes when I was speaking in Hindi, and how much he laughed at me, and then he taught me that you don't say utha lao, but unless I was practicing my Hindi, unless I was speaking my Hindi, I would not make mistakes in Hindi, right? And if I didn't make mistakes, I wouldn't learn the correct way to speak. That is why it is important to try and speak in the language. Somebody had a question. Om Prakash, you had a question? Om Prakash, you had a question? He had his Zoom hand raised, so I thought maybe he had a question. No, okay. Hi, thank you. So mom and dad are leaving for office. Somebody will ask me what time it is. It's 9 o'clock in the morning here. So they're leaving for work. All right. So what I'm saying to you is I have made a lot of mistakes when I have been learning Hindi, and it came by listening to the language and speaking the language. If you are serious about improving your English, you have to listen to the language and you have to practice speaking the language. All right. So I'm going to give you 2 pieces of homework. 2 pieces of homework. 1. The people who have been courageous enough, courageous का मतलब हिंदी में? हिम्मत. Yes. जिन लोग ने हिम्मत दिखा के असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट किया है और वीडियो अपलोड किया है, they will serve as our teachers for the first part of our assignment. So go back and see their videos. You will notice some of them have said words that are not in the dialogue, and some of them have not said words that are in the dialogue. When you notice that, remember we're talking about left brain and right brain connect? वो pattern जो होना चाहिए to listen and to repeat are not connected. They're not strong. So we go back to our old pattern and we pick up words we are familiar with. It is not wrong. Many people do this. We have to help our brains rewire. So first go back and see आपको वो mistake मिल रही है जहाँ पे उन लोग ने word add किया या word बोला नहीं, and then recognize left brain, right brain. Right brain से sentence, left brain से words. So the roads have to be connected. Number 2, the same way you did that first conversation, I want you to record this second conversation and post the video. All right. For everybody who is submitting the assignment, and we have received, I'm going to, thanks to Siddhi Didi, I am going to be able to share this with you. So if you look in the Zoom chat, these are the names of the people who have submitted assignment 1, conversational English assignment 1. सारे नेम्स जूम चैट में हैं. अगर आपका नाम यहाँ पे नहीं है और आपने असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट किया है, सो यू हैव टू मैसेज सिद्धि दीदी ऑन द असाइनमेंट्स ग्रुप एंड सिद्धि दीदी विल फाइंड योर वीडियो. इफ़ योर नेम इज़ नॉट ऑन दिस लिस्ट, I want to encourage you to please practice the conversation and send the video. You can send it now also. You can complete assignment 1 and assignment 2 before. If you complete assignment 1 before Friday, I will still count it. Okay? और आपका Friday का homework भी बाकी है. Please remember, we are tracking कौन complete कर रहा है और कौन नहीं complete कर रहा है. हम ये track कर रहे हैं. सो प्लीज़ हेल्प योर सेल्फ आउट. आपकी ज़िंदगी की दौर आपके हाथ में है, राइट? if you don't practice and if you don't submit your homework, you are cheating yourselves of an opportunity. Please don't do that. यहाँ पे कोई गुस्सा करता है, यहाँ पे कोई नीचा दिखाता है, तो फिर डर किस बात की? डर किस बात की? And alumni leaders, I have not seen your assignments and this is not on. Durgeshwari, Varsha, Suman, I should be seeing your conversational assignments on that assignments group. If you have not been added to the assignments group, please speak with Siddhi Didi and she will get you added. So alumni leaders who attend conversational English, please submit your assignments as well. All right, everybody. Any questions about conversational English before we close today? Any questions? Everybody good? Everybody strong? Everybody's feeling happy? All right. Have a superb evening, okay? Have a superb evening. Dipangsha Didi is asking me a question. Yes, Dipangsha. We might have to reconnect on this link so that this recording can convert, but yes. All right, everybody, have a great evening. I love you very much. I believe in you, each of you, and the promise of your future. That is why we do the work we do. And I am very proud of you for showing the courage that you do to show up in class, to change your futures, to answer in class, and to submit your assignments. So I love you, I believe in you, and I'm super proud of you. Please always, always remember that. All right? I will see you on Friday, but Rashna will see you tomorrow for GK and Thursday for English. All right, everybody. Bye. Have a great evening. Bye, everybody. Take care. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Didi.
Bye.
Good morning.
Bye, Didi.
Bye, Charles.